We're at Rain Dance Live here. We're TIFF 2011. I'm Karen Johnson. Omar Leslie's joining me. Yes. And I gotta say, you've got the best job because you get to people watch with a lens.
Yes, I do.
Not a peeping Tom, but people watch.
That's it. Yes, I'm an event photographer and I do high profile events.
And you consider TIFF a high profile event?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Now, you actually just came in from New York, which they're actually boasting Fashion Week.
Yes, Fashion Week. It was really amazing, actually. They actually had an event called Fashion Night Out. It was like a huge amount of crowd of fashionable people. I hate to relate it to Carabana, but you can imagine that kind of crowd, but fashion. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Now, talking about fashion, usually TIFF has an entourage of fashion or fashionistas, you could say. Have you been spotted, anybody or anything?
Not necessarily. I mean, when it comes to TIFF, the first thing that comes to my mind is more film and celebrities. I don't feel like fashion's really pushed in Toronto, so I don't see in a lot of blogs or any news reporters going fashion frenzy crazy over it. So.
What's your blog about?
My blog is event photography. I do arts, films, fashion-related events, high profile.
People want to tune into your blog. Where do they go and how do they find you?
They go to omarleslie.com.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Painless, wasn't it?
Yes.
All right.